Hello and welcome to our lesson for authentic Swabian potato salad. This salad is easy to make and an absolute favorite side to all kinds of meat dishes and a very popular addition to every German barbecue. We begin with placing the whole unpeeled potatoes in a large pot. Then cover the potatoes with cold water and bring them to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer the potatoes until they are just barely fork tender. Drain the potatoes and let them cool slightly. I like to just spread them out on the countertop. In the meantime, add the broth and all spices to a small saucepan and chop the onion finely. Bring the mixture to a boil, add the onion cubes and the vinegar. Mix well and turn the heat off. Adding the onion cubes to the hot broth cooks them slightly and makes them easier to digest. Now you can peel the warm potatoes and cut them into thick slices. If they are still too hot to the touch, just peel one side, let it cool for a while, and peel the other side. Place the sliced potatoes carefully into a large bowl as you go. Then add the hot broth mixture to the warm potatoes. This is the most important step and the secret to the perfect Swabian potato salad. Do not stir. That is very important. Cover the salad and allow it to rest for about 1 hour. The potatoes will absorb most of the liquid and this will result in a perfect, flavorful Swabian potato salad. After the resting time, you just need to add the oil and mix carefully. Salt and pepper to taste if needed. Serve the potato salad immediately, or let it rest covered for up to 4 hours at room temperature. Refrigerate the salad for up to 24 hours if you want to make it ahead, but it is important that you allow the potato salad to come to room temperature before serving. This will take about 30 minutes to an hour. Guten Appetit!